Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss about the solution of this question. Okay? Yes or no? So, to see this diagram, we observe that our test tube contain zinc and sulfuric acid. Yes or no? Then it connected with a delivery tube and with a vessel which contain soap solution. Okay, now we can see a gas A is evolved from soap solution, and when we burning the gas A, it produced a pop sound. Yes or no? Pop sound. So identify gas A. Okay, our test tube contain zinc metal with dilute sulfuric acid. So dilute sulfuric acid, it means H2SO4. Yes or no? Before discussing the reaction, first of all, we study about the reactivity series of metal. Okay. Reactivity series of metal. What is reactivity series of metal? A series in which we arrange the metals in their decreasing order of their reactivity is known as reactivity series of metal. Yes or no? इस सीरीज में बेटा हम क्या करते हैं, जो हमारी हाईली रिएक्टिव मेटल्स होती है उनको अबव पोजीशन पे और जो लेस रिएक्टिव मेटल्स होती है उनको बिलो पोजीशन पर अरेंज करते हैं. ओके. So our reactivity series is okay. Yes. K stand for potassium, Na stand for sodium, Ca stand for calcium, Mg stand for magnesium, Al stand for aluminium, Zn stand for zinc, Fe stand for iron. Okay. Ni nickel, Sn tin, Pb lead, H hydrogen, Cu copper, Hg mercury, Ag silver, Au gold, and Pt platinum. Okay. Yes or no? Here we observe that our some metals like iron, tin, lead, ठीक है, Hg, silver and gold. Gold symbols are generated from their Latin name. Okay. Yes or no? So iron is English name, ferrum is Latin name, so that's why its symbol is Fe. Ferrum, stannous, plumbum, ठीक है, etc. Yes or no? So अब बेटा देखो इतनी बड़ी सीरीज याद कैसे करेंगे. ठीक है, अब ऐसा तो है नहीं इसे हम रट्टाफिकेशन करेंगे. तो इस सीरीज को याद करने के लिए हमने एक कोड बनाया है, सालों से ही कोड फॉलो कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, आप भी यही फॉलो करेंगे. तो कोड क्या है भाई? यस, कोड है केदारनाथ. केदारनाथ, केदारनाथ इज ए फेमस टेम्पल ऑफ उत्तराखंड. यस और नो? केदारनाथ, केदारनाथ का माली आलू जरा फीके, आलू जरा फीके नए संतरे पकाता है, पकाता है. यस और नो? ओके। अब बेटा देखो, अगर कोई बच्चा क्लास स्कूल के फर्स्ट लेसन में क्या हो जाए, उसकी कुटाई हो जाए, या सुनो, तो उसे डर रहता है क्या, क्या आज क्यों या क्या होगी आज और कुटाई। तो कोड क्या है भाई, क्या होगी आज और पिटाई। ओके। केदार, के मतलब पोटेशियम, नाथ, नाथ एन मतलब सोडियम, का कैल्शियम, माली Mg मैग्नीशियम, आलू Al एल्यूमिनियम, जरा जेडन जिंक, फीके Fe, नए Ni, संतरे Sn, पकाता Pv है H, क्यों क्या या क्यों Cu, होगी Hg, आज Ag और Au पिटाई Pt। यस और नो। ठीक है। दोज मेटल्स विच आर प्लेस्ड अबव इन द पीरियोडिक टेबल आर मोस्ट reactive metals, yes or no, and those metals which are below in the reactivity series are known as less reactive metals। okay, on moving top to bottom in reactivity series, the reactivity of metals decreases, yes or no। okay, now we discuss about when zinc is react with dilute H2SO4, then what happen। okay, so here we take zinc and hydrogen, remember that hydrogen act as metal as well as non metal। okay, अब बेटा देखो, जिंक और हाइड्रोजन में रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज में अबव पोजीशन पर कौन है, जिंक। it means zinc have above position than hydrogen in electrochemical series या reactivity series, it means zinc is more reactive than hydrogen, so zinc displace hydrogen from its acid or solution, yes or no। okay, so here B, ionize these species, zinc is a metal, zinc have a tendency to donate 2 electrons and form Zn2 plus ion and 2 electrons, yes or no। H2SO4 can split into H, 2H plus ion and SO4 2 minus ion। okay, we know that same polarity repel each other and opposite polarity attract each other, yes or no। so Zn2 plus repel H plus ion, but Zn2 plus attract sulfate ion SO4 2 minus ion, yes or no। so when Zn2 plus ion is attracted with SO4 2 minus ion, yes, what is the valency of zinc, 2। okay, what is the valency of SO4 2 minus, that is also 2, because the valency of polyatomic ion is equals to the magnitude of its charge। okay, now we take simplest ratio 1 1 and be applied crisscross method, so we get Zn1 SO4, it means we get ZnSO4 zinc sulfate, yes or no। here the -2 charge of sulfate ion is balanced or cancelled by +2 charge of zinc ion, yes or no। okay, so here 2 electrons and 2 H plus ion are remain, yes or no। so when this H plus ion accept 1 electron, then it get negative charge, yes or no, and this negative charge is balanced by this positive charge, so it form neutral H। okay, neutral H which have only 1 electron, this is also named as hydrogen free radical, yes or no। similarly our second H plus ion also accept 1 electrons and form hydrogen free radical या H या neutral H। okay, here now both hydrogen radical need 1 electron to complete its duplet, because hydrogen because the atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and hydrogen have only 1 electrons. So to complete it duplicate it mutual shared, it get mutual shared with each other and form hydrogen single covalent bond with another hydrogen. Yes or no? It means it form hydrogen gas. Yes or no? Hydrogen gas. So our gas A is hydrogen gas, which produced a pop sound on burning. Yes or no? So this is the concept of this